Alright, Jirha, so here I'm going to be video reassessing G1 and G1 only. So on this assessment, I just pulled it straight off of the paper because I only missed one part, and that was on question B here. It asked to sketch a graph, which I forgot to do. So I just included A to kind of start it off. So it asks for the independent variable, which is going to be the adjusted volume of the cylinder, and it also asks for the dependent variable, which is going to be the resulting air pressure from the cylinder after being left in a hot room. And the control variable is going to be the type of cylinder. Where are you going? Cylinder. The air. I don't know if gravity would have anything to do with that. And the temperature of the room. Those are all going to be controlled. We cannot change those. We could, but we don't have any reason to. Alright, so question B asks to basically state a hypothesis for what's going to happen when the students come back and finish their experiment. So for B, I wrote the hypothesis, which I assumed was correct because there weren't any marks on it. So I said that if the volume of the closed cylinder is increased, then the resulting air pressure will be greater because there is more air trying to escape, because we know that heat expands, it also rises, which doesn't have much to do with this problem, but it is going to increase the volume within the cylinder, and there's going to be a lot more pressure from the air trying to escape. But back to physics. I'm going to make a graph for that. Let's make a black graph. Got it. Alright, so I'm gonna make a graph, and this graph is going to show, that's a bit thick. This graph is going to show the relationship between the time and the resulting air pressure. So time is going to be down here. A little bit messy, but whatever. And I guess we can make a volume graph or a pressure graph, but I'll do volume. I guess that makes more sense. So as time goes on, the volume is going to increase because of the expanding heat. So that also means that because of this, the pressure is also going to increase. So this is just basically, I don't think this is the right unit for pressure, but anyway, it shows that I clearly understand how an experiment is designed. So as heat expands, the volume is going to increase, and along with that, the pressure is also going to increase. So that is basically it, unless there's anything I forgot to include, which I don't think there was. Sketch what you think the graph will look like. That is pretty much what it's going to be like, because heat is going up. Beautiful. Alright, I I don't know if there's anything else you want from that, but that's basically what I could pull out of it. So, thank you.